Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is fine and well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add checkboxes in an Excel sheet. To start with, you will need the developer tools enabled. This one. If you don't have developer tools enabled, just right click anywhere on this ribbon and then select customize the ribbon. You will see this window open. From here, under the customize the ribbon tab, you will find this developer tab. If it is unchecked, check it and then click on OK. Once you have the developer tools enabled, click on the developer tab, click on insert and under form controls, select checkbox. Then left click where you want to have the checkbox. You can also move it around in the cell to place it where exactly you want it to be. Let's say I want it in the center. I will move it here and then let go of my left mouse click. Now you can also fill the rest of the column with the checkbox, just like this, by dragging. So this is how you can add checkboxes in Excel. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Until the next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.